Episode of CS Fresh Noodle Fridays. Happy Friday, everyone. We're bringing you PHO GA. So it's super easy to make. I promise you, not too many special ingredients here at all. I made this right on top of my stovetop, which is nice, low and slow cooking time. And then of course I'm skimming the broth so we get a nice, beautiful, clear broth. That's what you want. Nice, clean tasting, and then of course all the accoutrements on top as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so first things first, we gotta torch our aromatics. So we got 2 large onions here, got a nice big piece of ginger, star anise, coriander seeds. We also have a bit of fennel and some cinnamon. Torch it till it's nice and toasty. In a large stock pot, add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, adding in your scorched aromatics here. Just gonna toast them up a little bit on medium-high heat. And then we're gonna add in all of our chicken drumsticks. I have about 12 of them. That's about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds or so. And then we're gonna add about 6 quarts of water. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons each of granulated sugar and salt, and then we're gonna add about 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and adjust the taste later on. So bring everything up to a boil. All this weird scum and nasty bits are coming out, so you wanna skim that off. Not necessary, but it makes a nice clear broth, which is great. Of course, season to taste after simmering for about 2 hours. And once everything is cooked, shred off your chicken. We're going to add some boiling water over our soaked rice noodles, draining them, and then adding them back to the bowl with our shredded chicken. We're gonna ladle up on our noodles here, our wonderful PHO GA broth. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look how nice and clear it is, beautiful. And then of course you can have some more fish sauce at the table if you need. But of course we need a bit of garnish, so we have some Thai basil, we have some chopped cilantro, lime, chilies, all the fun things in here, green onions and bean sprouts. Garnish as you please and serve with hoisin and some sriracha sauce. Enjoy!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to set notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!